welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sade. Today I'm kicking off my 3-day fast. I am going to eat salads. I'm going to be drinking fresh juices and smoothies because I need to lose weight and I need to be healthy. I have not been feeling my best. If you have been following me for a while, you can tell from my videos, you can pick up some weight. And my digestive system is off, y'all. I've been constipated, having a bunch of gas. I'm just not right. Okay, you feel me? I'm just not right. I got to get it together. So I'm on my way to the juice store right now, and you guys about to come with me. Walk through the door, they added some papaya juice. Papaya juice is loaded with vitamin C, and papaya juice is good if you're trying to clean your body out. You got parasites. The seeds are really good for parasites. I am going to get some celery juice. Now, this is my first time drinking straight celery juice. I hope it's good. Get that. Green Energizer. Get that as well. 12 greens. Yes, that's what I need. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Right. Well, you know what? Let me see. I might as well just get this one. $7.99. All right. And let me get vitamin C explosion. All right. Kale, spinach, kiwi, lime. I'm gonna get that as well. Oh, let me not forget the beet juice. Beet is really good if you're trying to clean out your body. Matter of fact, let me put this one back and get 2 of these. Yep, if you're trying to clean your body out, the beet juices are good. Okay, I'm on my way to the gym and get some salad. Good morning. Started my morning off with the papaya fresh squeezed orange juice. did like 30 minutes of Zumba dancing. Oh, the music was fire. Oh my gosh, like, I love reggae. I love dance hall. I love the dirty wine and twerk some, okay? Ooh, wee. Oh man, I feel good. Ooh, look at that sweat. All right, I did 5 minutes yesterday. I think I did 5 minutes. I'm going to aim for 10 minutes on the Stairmaster. I don't know if I can do it, but if I can, that's okay. I remember I couldn't even get 2 minutes on the Stairmaster. So I'm gonna aim for 10. Let's see what I can do. Back at home, y'all, I have the green Energizer juice, 32 ounces. And I made my own salad. So this is a kale and broccoli slaw. I have sunflower seeds, the non-GMO chicken I got from Target, blueberries, almonds, and some creamy dressing. So I'm about to dig in right now. All right, y'all, this is dinner, my last meal for the night. My blueberry smoothie. I'm not gonna have anything else. It's about 8:30. And I'm about to take a shower and go to bed. Good morning. Today is day 3. I'm feeling good. I want to show you guys what I'm going to be drinking today and my supplements. I'm starting off with water. I've been drinking tons of water these last 3 days. And I recommend that if you're going to try this fast, drink tons of water because water is going to push everything out of you. So even though I'm drinking juices for micronutrients, you still want water. And I got my water from Costco. I think I got like 18-20 bottles for like $10. I got some alkaline water, so yep, that's what I'm drinking today. And I also have the bentonite detox supplement. So there's a bentonite clay that you cannot consume. Is for a detox bath that helps to pull toxins and heavy metals from the body. And then you have a bentonite supplement. You can consume this. Now, this is going to do the same thing. It's going to bind to toxins and heavy metals and just pull it from your body. I have been adding 1 tablespoon to my juices for the last 3 days. And I'm noticing a lot of waste coming out. I think I saw a few parasites. I think I did, but that's good. That's good. And I just want to tell you guys, if you're watching this video and if you decide to do this fast, which I recommend you do, if it's okay with your doctor, pay attention to your stool. Pay attention to it because you'll be surprised. And I am going to take my ACV. When I take ACV, I like to mix it with a little bit of juice, and I like to take it right before I have a meal or right before I go to bed. So I am going to start this today on day 3. My juices, celery juice and beet juice. I plan to have 3 juices today, 1 salad, drink a ton of water, and maybe a smoothie. I will say, yesterday, I wasn't that hungry. Like, I had my juices, I had my salad, my smoothie, and I didn't eat nothing else after 8:30. That's good for me because normally I'm snacking all night long. So I'm going to be taking the flax oil. This is good for omega-3s, and it supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. This used to be my number 1 supplement, y'all. I fell off. Like, I know this stuff. And I have my multivitamin. These are New Chapter Women's Multivitamin. It's loaded with nutrients and organic fiber, and it doesn't have gelatin. I don't consume any kind of gelatin because I don't eat pork. Those are all of my supplements. I'm heading to the gym. I'm not going to get in the sauna today. However, I am going to work out, and I am aiming for 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. So I hope I can do it. So I hit my goal. I'm about to go to Whole Foods and get a salad. I love this gym, y'all. I love the layout, but I feel so good. I'm about to show you guys my waist trainer. Okay, y'all, I'm back at the juice store. I'm back at Pete's. Now, that celery juice and that beet juice that I had, I let it sit for too long. So I'm back here so I can get 2 more juices. One thing I will say, if you are going to do a juice fast, make sure you don't let your juices sit too long. So I would say about 48 hours, the most. Typically, you want to consume your juice as soon as you're done juicing. That's when, you know, the nutrients and the enzymes are fresh. But if you're going to do a juice fast, recycle those juices every 48 hours. So instead of me getting the beet juice again and celery juice, because I drank half of it, and I'm like, you know what, this don't taste right. So instead of me getting those juices again, I am going to get this detox juice. So look at this, fresh detox juice. Spinach, parsley, celery, kale, cucumber, ginger, lime, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. So I'm gonna get this and then one more juice. Let's see. You know what? Let me do 2 detox juices. Let me just do 2. Keep it simple. All right.